Welcome! In this video, we'll explore the GEXQ formula in Spreadsheet Server. The GEXQ formula allows you to return a single value from the summary portion of a query. You can drill down on the summary value to see detailed results. The drill-down results can appear in a single panel, tabbed panel, or worksheet based on options in your Spreadsheet Server settings and how the drill-down function is executed. First, select the cell where you want the GEXQ formula to reside. Next, from the Spreadsheet Server ribbon, click on Formula Builder. This opens the Formula Builder panel. Select the GEXQ formula located under the Query Formulas tab. Click the Browse button to navigate to, and select the query to be executed. Now, enter the required data in the GEXQ panel fields. Remember, the values vary based on whether the summary field is defined in the query or the formula. Click Insert to add the formula to your cell. The summary portion of the query executes immediately, and you can see the GEXQ formula in the Excel formula bar. You can easily copy the GEXQ formula to other cells and update the values as needed. To view the detailed records behind a GEXQ summary value, select the cell and choose Drill Down from the ribbon, or right-click and select Spreadsheet Server, then Drill Down. The Drill Down panel displays the detailed records, or the data can be pushed to a worksheet for further analysis. And that's how you use the GEXQ formula in Spreadsheet Server. For more tips and tricks, stay tuned for our next video.